Hello everyone, this is Sabbir Mahmud. Welcome to my channel. Today I am discuss about how to draw a flag. First of all, we take a rectangle. This is a rectangle, and then we take a circle, radius circle. Now take a line, click line, and then draw a line. Again click a rectangle. This is a flag. Now I draw a gradient. First of all, we click a gradient, then select a gradient, and select a color green, and then click here. And now again select a gradient and color select red, then select circle, then enter. Again select a gradient, black, select, and again black. Enter. This is a flag. Thank you everyone, thank you viewers watching my video.